Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now. Plug the Switch Pro controller into the PC using a quality USB-C cable. Use USB-A or USB-C port depending on your PC. Make sure the controller has at least 20% charge so it won't sleep mid-setup. Once connected, Windows should detect a new device. Give it a moment to enumerate. If Windows prompts for drivers, allow installation. You do this to establish a stable wired HID connection. Wired is simpler than Bluetooth for initial setup. Once the controller is recognized, open Device Manager to confirm it appears under Human Interface Devices or as a game controller. Reinstall drivers if it shows errors. Next, launch Steam and enter Big Picture mode for the cleanest mapping workflow. From Settings, right arrow Controller, right arrow General Controller Settings, enable Switch Pro configuration support. This lets Steam read inputs and expose the controller to games. Make sure Steam recognizes button presses and sticks. Remap any unexpected buttons here so games respond correctly. Now test the controller in Steam's Controller Test or Windows Game Controller's control panel. Press buttons, move sticks, and calibrate if you see drift. If the controller isn't detected, swap the USB cable or use a different USB port and reboot the PC. Some ports provide data while others are power only. Make sure Windows and Steam are updated and, if necessary, uninstall and reinstall the controller driver. One key troubleshooting tip: try a known good cable first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.